Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I showed you how to get this makeup look. Excuse the hair, it's very greasy and I don't have any dry shampoo and my camera's running out of storage, so I just had to kind of go with it. I'm a mess. But that's why you're here, because you love that, right? I hope. This is the makeup look I did today. It's very glowy, summer skin, flawless. I don't think it's too much. It's just in that mid range. It's a nice gold lid. Oh, I did not clean up my eyelid. I'm like the CEO of getting mascara on my eyelid, so. But yeah, I really actually like this makeup look. It's actually really easy as well. And if you want to know my favorite products for summer, everything like that, keep watching, because that's what today's video is. If you're excited, remember to like, comment, subscribe if you're new here, turn my post notification bell as well. That way you miss any of my uploads. And if you want to follow me on any of my social medias, they are all in the description box down below, so feel free to check those out if you want to. I talk so quickly, wow. Keep on watching if you want to see how to get this makeup look, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Right, let's roll up our sleeves. I'm not doing the intro yet. The intro was being done at the end of the video to go at the start of the video, but I'm so thirsty. So let's just start my makeup. Ow, my hair. I think I need to brush through my hair and put a fair amount of dry shampoo in it. I actually kind of do look bold. I feel like my hair blends in with the background. Anyway, start our makeup. See, this hoodie's already starting to get sweaty and I don't know what the vibe is, if I should just leave it on. So I'm going in with the Clinique Face ID. This is the one that evens out your skin tone. I'm not comfy. This is my next product. It's the Wonder Glow by Charlotte Tilbury. I put quite a lot of it on. I just squeeze like a decent amount on one side of my face and then I just rub that everywhere. Oh my god, do I have a story for you. So I think it's like 11:30ish now, but I got up like before 10, right? And I was planning on filming and having a productive day and getting all my makeup on by like 11 and just, you know, living my best life. Oh, it's 11:20 now. Obviously, I'm only filming now. Why, you might ask? I get so many questions about this foundation. It's the Natasha Denona Face Glow Foundation, and it's in the shade 50, if anyone's wondering. It's like a buildable medium coverage foundation. It's definitely not full. So obviously we're all in lockdown. Well, not in lockdown, but it's like half lockdown. I don't know what to call this stage. It's like, it's not normal. London's like a ghost town still, but technically we're allowed to leave our houses. I feel like we're like, if house arrest was like, had a stage up from it. We're on tag. We're on tag. Obviously, you know, love thy neighbor. That was the most random thing that's ever come out of my mouth, by the way, but the story is, I guess, to do with my neighbors. So I was planning on filming. I was sitting in the garden with my mum, just about to come out, because I have this little, like, I'll do a house tour one day, but I have this little, like, outback kind of shed thing that is this. It's got a projector in here. It's quite fun, quite vibey. But this is where I film all my videos, so it's in the garden of my house. It's like its separate own little shed. So I was just about to come out here, start filming, start getting my face on. Before you know it, a flute starts playing and I was like, oh gosh. And my neighbours are having a flute lesson in their garden because of Rona. I guess because of Rona they didn't want to do it inside. And me and Julie were just sat there like, okay, we'll just vibe with this. And I was like, how am I going to film this video? I went in here and all I could hear was anyway, concealer. Now, I don't know what vibe to go for, if I should go for like a really natural, dewy summer look or a more full coverage summer look. And that depends on what concealer. Ew, there's a sharpening in here. Concealer I use, and I think I'm gonna mix these two because I haven't used this NARS Soft Matte concealer in ages. And if you guys not even are an OG, just like watch my videos, you know this is like my all-time favorite concealer, the NARS Pot. Just haven't used it in a while. When I say like you can actually tell the difference so much, you can tell the difference so much. My skin looks flawless, like flawless. Obviously not everyone wants that look. Like sometimes you want your imperfections peeping through, you don't want the whole full coverage, which is why sometimes I guess I don't use it. But today is not one of those days apparently. I think I'm gonna go for like natural enough but also like flawless. I don't know what I'm going for. I'm going for my everyday makeup look at the moment, making it summer and glowy. And do you know what? Oh my god, I actually need to talk to you guys about something, because I've been having the biggest mental block on YouTube ever at the moment, and I don't know if you guys can tell just from me uploading or what. I'm gonna wait for the airplane to pass. Also, my mirror's over here. I'm not ignoring you guys. I'm just looking at what I'm doing. Okay, but can we talk about like, but yes, so I've had the biggest mental block with YouTube and I couldn't figure out why. Like, I think part of it is that obviously we've gone into lockdown and all my videos basically either makeup or vlogs. I can't really vlog because I'm not going out, and I can't do makeup because no one wants to like do everyday makeup when they're not going anywhere. Like, a lot of people don't want to waste their makeup, which is fair enough. So I found it really hard to come up with video ideas. But on top of that, I realized that like the internet has turned into like the meanest place in the world at the moment. And I don't mind posting on TikTok and Instagram and all those places because like if someone leaves a hate comment, I don't feel like that is true to me. I don't feel like in a 15-second TikTok or one Instagram post you get to know who I am at all. However, I do feel on my YouTube channel that you guys get to know me like a bit more on how I am in real life. I think that scares me a little. I started this channel being completely authentic me, which I think is what gained me subscribers because I didn't give a shit. And I want to go back to that so badly, but as I started gaining, I started giving it more, which is so frustrating. Like it's so annoying because I wish I didn't care, but for some reason like I do. And it's not that like it upsets me or anything like that. I think I'm so scared of being cancelled. Like I see all these people like getting cancelled for, in my opinion, like not all the time, but people get cancelled for stupid reasons. We can agree on this. And I'm so scared of that being me one day, and I don't know why. But I guess now I figured it out, so now I can get back to uploading on a regular schedule, hopefully. As I'm filming this, I finished editing a video this morning, which is going up to upload. I'll edit this. We'll get back on track. We will do it. I'm so sorry that I've been so slacking and just everything like that on YouTube at the moment. But honestly, I feel like it's weird because I'm a lot more likely to get cancelled for something on TikTok because, I mean, for starters, we can say TikTok, people on TikTok are stupid, right? That is including me. I am on TikTok. I'm obsessed with the app. But I mean in the sense of like, I have never ever known a social media to just want to cancel people so badly. It is crazy. I know for a fact anything I post on there, especially if it gets on the For You page, there's no way anything I post on there is ever getting on the For You page without a hate comment on there, which is fine. I don't care about hate comments that much. I just think that we need to be more positive. We need to try to spread positivity in other people's lives rather than negativity. Don't get me wrong, I love TikTok. Like, I mean, you guys will see I post on there probably almost every day. But yeah, YouTube has been a struggle for me at the moment. I love it though. Like, I mean, it sounds so bad, but I freaking love talking. And I love talking to you guys because I feel like you do know me on like a different level. And I want to be able to get back to the point where I'm comfortable sharing the stupidest stuff with you guys and just saying how I feel and like not caring about it. What eyeshadow look should we do? I want to do something natural. Okay, so I'm going to take New Yorker from the Amrezy palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I'm going to start really lightly blending this to my eye. This is so pigmented. I was about to say I don't want too much product on there. I think it's too late for that. But yeah, I'm just going to blend this through my eye socket, defining it. What should we talk about now that I've got that out of the way? There's nothing to talk about anymore. It's so annoying. It's really annoying because I should have so much more going on in my life, but I don't. I want to fill you guys in like, this is what I'm doing, but I'm not doing anything. I'm living so boring at the moment. I blame Corona, but probably it is just me being a little bit boring. Do you know what? I found a new favourite way of applying eyeshadow, and that is with like a little, kind of like a MAC 217 shape brush, like a small tapered blending brush, and spraying it with Fix Plus, and it just applies it so evenly and nicely. I don't know, I prefer this than a flat packing brush now for some reason. But I don't know what shade I want to do. Maybe some like light gold shade. I feel like that's quite summery. I don't know what I want to do. Why can't I find my spray? Well, I found my spray. This, I know it says Gerard Cosmetics Slay All Day, but it's not. It's the Too Faced Hangover X Spray where I broke the bottle, so it wasn't spraying right, so I just poured it into like a setting spray that I never really used. Do you guys want to be brought in closer? Sorry about that. Yeah, you guys can see better now, can't ya? I'm using the Nicole Guerrero, sorry, not Nicole Guerrero, Nicole Concealer Violet Voss palette. I'm taking the shade LA. Do you see what I mean? It just applies it so evenly. I do want it a little bit lighter, so I'm going to go in with the shade Zozo. At the moment, I'm obsessed with like a really light eyelid shade. We are gonna go in with some eyeliner. This is the best eyeliner ever. It's the Charlotte Tilbury Classic eyeliner in the shade Aubrey, I think. No, in the shade Classic Brown. And then you want to take a brush and just try and blend that out. You want to be really careful with the top of it because you can obviously clean up the bottom with concealer, but it's a lot harder to clean up the top with concealer. So just be more careful around the top, how you blend it. Look at that. I feel like this isn't natural at all. Tell me this isn't natural at all. See, I don't like the big black wing anymore. I prefer something more subtle and like blended. Even though I know this isn't subtle, like you can definitely tell I'm wearing eyeliner, but it's just not as, I don't know, it's not as there. Okay, sorry, I got so distracted. Mascara. Should I do my mascara and eyebrows off camera, or do you want to see them? Boring, not boring, what are we saying? I'm going with boring, and we're gonna do it off camera. Okay, that works. I'm gonna do my eyebrows now. See, I thought I had dry shampoo in here, but I can't find it anywhere, so we might have to end up doing like, I don't know, weird hairstyle, because my hair is extremely greasy. Look at that little definition. So I do really light strokes, and I just kind of like fill in the shape. See, I don't know why, but I always end up just making them like a straight freaking line. And then I just extend them out in another straight line. One eyebrow done. That's the eyebrows done. I use the Benefit Brow Gel. It's the best one I found. I prefer it so much to the Anastasia Brow Gel. I'm not the biggest fan of the Anastasia Brow Gel, if I'm being honest. I've never tried soap brows because the Benefit Brow Gel just works that well. I can literally get them to stand up for the whole day if I want them to. I need a new bronzer because mine's smashed in the middle and every time I open it, it just goes everywhere. I'm using the Marc Jacobs Omega bronzer. I just can't show you because it's smashed. This is a MAC 135 brush. I've had this brush for so long. It's like my favorite bronzer brush because it's big but it's tapered, so you still have like control over it. Should I bake the sides of my nose? We're gonna bake the sides of my nose. I feel like whenever I'm baking my nose, I look like Little Miss Piggy. Don't know how long we should leave that bake on for, so we're just gonna leave it cooking. Cooking at 350 degrees. Who remembers when YouTube, that was like the biggest joke ever? People thought they were so funny. It was like, we're just gonna let that bake at 350 degrees for 20 minutes. Oh my god, I'm making cookies. Was not funny. Am I the only one who was like, this isn't funny? But it was every single YouTuber. It was like one person made the joke and then everyone was like, baking. I probably made it. Gotta make sure to take this blush high up so it really shapes your face. This is the Charlotte Tilbury. I use a lot of Charlotte Tilbury products because they're so good. You can make them super pigmented, but you also have a lot of control over it. It's not like if you accidentally take too much and you've ruined your whole look. You have a lot of control over the product and where it goes because it's like very buildable. I'm gonna do another layer of mascara. Do you ever look back at photos of yourself and just think, wow, like I thought I was so cute. I was not. Like I was not. Even a year ago, I looked completely different to how I look now, and I don't know how that happens, but I swear to God, my face changes every year, and that is literally, I don't know why, how, or what, but my face just changes. It's freaky. I don't know if the brown hair just changed my face that much, but I don't think it was. Sorry, I'm just gonna brush off this bake. I haven't got corona, I just swallowed it. I'm obsessed with this highlighter at the moment. It's the Nicole Guerrero Glow Kit. I go through stages of loving different highlighters. My all-time favorite highlighter for sure is the Fenty Beauty Duo because it suits my skin tone so well. But anyway, I'm gonna go in with Glow Getter. I like a shade that's like not too light but not too dark. Where's my favorite product? Going in with Freck XL. Reason I got the XL one is because I ran out of the other one. It's the exact same product, it's just bigger. I love a lot of freckles. So we go like that and then we just take our finger and lightly dot it. Should I do like a low button Bella Hadid style thing? It will look awful on me. We can just laugh at how it looks on me, okay? Hell nah. To the nah, nah, nah. Hell to the nah. Hell nah. Oh, now I need to line my lips and I'm chewing. I am trying to not make a disgusting noise, but you gotta break them. Okay, and now, see, I can kind of not chew as loudly now. LA and mix it with Zozo, which is a little bit lighter. Yeah, the storage just ran out, so if you missed anything, I just put some eyeshadow on my lower lash line and put some mascara on. I need to like fix that. A little bit of NARS concealer. I don't know what this is, but it's called Super Cindy. It's just a lipstick. I just don't know. I'm all done. I am gonna leave my hair like this for the outro just because I don't have enough time to go and fix it because I don't have a lot of storage left on my camera. This is the makeup look. I think it's quite pretty actually. Yeah, I rate that. Okay, this is the final makeup look. I hope you guys did enjoy it. If you did, remember to leave a like, comment, subscribe if you're new here, turn my post notification bell as well, that way you don't miss any of my uploads. And yeah, all my social medias are in the description box down below, so feel free to follow me on those if you want to. I hope you guys did enjoy it. I love you guys loads, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, love you. Mwah.